Yo, 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 what up, what up, what up? This is Toby with O-Line Security, and we are back with a really quick video. It's actually an update to the installing VMware Fusion on MacBooks because of you all. Shout out real quick. Let's give a big shout out to the comment section. Everyone that was leaving questions, everyone that was keeping us up to date with changes in the community. Because of you, our community is strong. Because of you, our community is learning every single second of the day. You all reached out to us to let us know that Ubuntu image, that Ubuntu ISO that we were using to install a virtual machine through VMware Fusion on our MacBooks was no longer available. Because of you all, we took the time to figure out what the change was. We were responding to the comments, letting you all know that, yes, we do see the change. We will get right back to you. And we did find a fix, right? Or at least a new ISO. It may not be relatively new, but it's an updated ISO that we can use to go ahead and install Ubuntu on our MacBooks. Once again, you're still using VMware Fusion. That's not going to change. So I will link the video to downloading and installing VMware Fusion on your MacBooks, because that's not going to change, right? We're still going to keep that same process. The only thing that's changing is the ISO file that we're using. So real quick, I'm gonna just show you. Let's go to this site over here, if I could find it. I can't find it. Oh, here we go. So first of all, this over here was the video that I'm talking about, how to install VMware Fusion on MacBooks. Right, this was the video. You all were leading comments in some comments saying that, hey, the ISO image is no longer available. Would you have a link to provide that is working? Great video, by the way. Thank you for your comment. Thank you, thank you, thank you. A few of you left similar comments. I will take some time today to respond to everyone's comment that was looking for an updated link, and I will give you this link right here. Right, this link will also be in the description of this current video. Right, we'll also leave an updated description in the previous video. Okay, but this is the ISO file that we're going to download now in order to install Ubuntu on our MacBooks using VMware Fusion. Once again, this process over here that we're using in this video to install VMware Fusion, to configure it, that's not going to change. The only thing that is changing is this here, the ISO that we're using. For us that are on MacBooks, you're going to download this 64-bit ARM file, right? This one right here that I'm going crazy with my mouse around. We want to download this. I have already went around and tested it with my MacBook. I will show you that here. I've already done the liberties of testing it out. And let me log back in. First of all, let me make sure you can see my screen. Yes, you can. So this is it here, right? I recently downloaded and installed it. It is a perfectly working ISO. And also everything is working pretty fine. Let's just do a quick ping test to make sure it can successfully get out to the internet, and it can. All right, sweet. So this is a good ISO file to download, you all. Let's keep it simple. Don't branch off too far from the previous video that we used to download and configure VMware Fusion. This is for all my MacBook users. Once again, thank you to everyone in the comment section for helping us out, for letting us know that there are changes, and for simply taking the time to give us kudos on the videos. Thank you so much. Without you, we really wouldn't be where we are today. Let's keep it up, y'all. Let's keep teaching each other. Let's keep helping one another out, asking questions, answering questions. If you have answers to questions in the comment section, please help people out, right? Give your input. Everyone has input, right? We can all learn from each other. I will see everyone else in the next video. Peace.